I'm in a slight quandary. Oh man, I'm losing my voice too. I'm in a slight quandary today. Why? I'm in a condo and there were some construction workers in here. They were in here for 4 or 5 weeks. This is a vacation condo, and guess what I smell? Yes, I smell smoke. And I've got to get this smoke out of here. And I'm not quite sure how to handle this yet. It's a nice little condo here. And I was talking to some people, and they were telling me what I'm probably going to have to do here. You know, first off, I'm going to have to call a contractor to give me a cost to eradicate this smoke. And, you know, probably a cleaning company of some sort. And they're going to have to come in here and give me a little inspection. First off, I don't want to do anything on my own and then find out that I'm doing the wrong thing, or I didn't do it enough or whatever. Okay, because I've got an insurance company who's going to pay for all this. What are they going to pay for? Well, you know, my thought is obviously the carpet's going to have to be cleaned. It's going to have to be professionally cleaned, I think. I've got a little carpet cleaner here. You've seen me run this before, as a matter of fact. This is a Hoover cleaner, carpet cleaner. And it's even got some attachments to run on the furniture. Okay? But I don't think I'm going to do that, because I need a professional cleaner company who can guarantee their work, because the next guest who comes in here, I don't want them saying they smell smoke and have an issue with them paying their money, you know, for each day, or want to be moved or something like that. So these carpets are going to have to be professional cleaned. Guess what else? I think these covers on these chairs, I don't think the smoke is going to get out of these all the way, even because it's probably saturated the pads too inside. It's not like the guy was in here only a week. He was in here almost 5 weeks. So the pillows are probably going to have to be thrown away. I'm probably going to have to get some new covers, and even the foam pads underneath, or treat the foam pads under and then get them reupholstered. You know, they've got zippers on them so they can be unzipped and stuff. But I don't know if I even want to take those to a dry cleaner. I'm not sure if that's going to cover it. Okay? But I'll find out once the cleaning company comes over here and gives me a cost. But here's some other pillows, and for this whole thing here, you can unzip these cushions, the back cushions, and even those pillow cushions and the bottom cushions. But you know, you got the rest of the upholstered on the side and on the bottom, and then the bed inside is going to have to be thrown away and redone. The back of it might be just as cheap to, and 100% guarantee to get a new couch. So I think this condo is going to have to get another couch. Now here's something else to consider. I've got these chair covers here that I think I'm going to have to take those off and get those pulled off and reupholstered those as well. Now what else? Here's a floor mat over there. I'm going to have to either throw that away or get that clean too. Now, do you see anything else that you would do? Well, we've got all these cabinets. All these cabinets are going to have to be wiped down inside and out. All the cabinets in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. Here I've got an armoire here. I'm going to have to wipe that out, pull that apart. Here I even got a pad on top of the laundry basket. I'm going to have to somehow clean that. Here's another cabinet in here. It's got to be wiped in and out. Okay. And these blinds, probably going to have to wipe these off and spray something on those. Here's another cabinet. We're going to have to clean this inside and out. And all the towels here, we're going to throw away, and we're going to get new towels. Even after you wash them, the smoke can still be embedded in there, those, and even the little floor mat down here. Okay, what else? What else do you suppose is going to happen in this bathroom? Well, we've got all the smoke and stuff down in the pores of the tiles now. I'm going to have to get this cleaned, and it's going to have to be resealed. I'm going to clean and seal all this stonework, and even the counters. I'm going to have to wipe those off really good and hope that I get all the smell out of that. Okay, what else we got going in? Okay, here's a bedroom here. And even the bed covers, I don't think I can get those cleaned. You know, I can dry clean those, I guess, but I think the smell's still gonna be in those too. So I'm gonna have to get new pillows for that, and the bed cover, and the shams, the pillow shams, the skirting, the whole thing, even the sheets, and underneath the sheets, you know, the mattress pad, and even underneath the mattress pad. And I'll probably have to treat the mattresses too. I'm not quite sure what to do with that. You know, I'm hoping this guy, the cleaning company, is going to give me something to go by here, because I want to do some of this stuff myself if I can, or after speaking to a cleaning company, I might find that for a warranty issue or something like that, maybe I have to have them do the whole thing, and if insurance is going to cover it anyways, we might go that way. And what else do you think might have to be done in this unit? You know what? And what else do you think might have to be done in this unit? You know what? I think all of these walls are going to have to be repainted. You get that smoke in there and it just doesn't come off. I don't think you can clean just the walls with TSP or something like that. I think all of this stuff is going to have to be cleaned. These ceiling fans are going to have to be hopefully just cleaned top and bottom, and treated that way. And we'll just have to see. You know, it's a nightmare when you have somebody smoking and you want to get the smoke out. Lots of stuff you got to do. Now, I went to my favorite store. What do you suppose my favorite store is? My favorite work store, yes, Home Depot. And I got some stuff here. And I don't think I'm gonna just use this stuff, but here I got some tile wax, and I got some simple green. That's for the floors before I seal them. Okay? And I also got some Febreze. I know that's good for different smells. You've seen those commercials where they got the guys in a warehouse or something, and they think they're in a nice place, and they open their eyes and it's just a mess, and it's been treated with Febreze, you know. So I'm gonna try that. I got a big one, extra strength, eliminates tough odors. And this one you spray on there, a wet spray. This you spray in the air. You know what I mean? Just to get the immediate smell out of here. It's nasty. Okay, here's the Febreze, and here about a whole container of this. I'm gonna end up spraying this stuff on the mattress pads, the mattresses, the box spring and mattresses. I'm gonna do that. And then you know what else too? Before I lose track, all the mini blinds in here are gonna have to be wiped down too, and I'll probably end up spraying them with this stuff, you know, afterwards. What else did I get?